Hi everyone, how's it going? So today, let's do another unboxing. Today is gonna be a basketball shoe. I bought this shoe for play. I have another shoe, but I decided to buy this one because it's good to have an option. And this is the Puma MB.02, I think so. This is the first time that this is my second Puma. I had a Puma before, but just like a casual shoe, not for play. And this is my first basketball Puma shoe, so we'll see. I was very excited to see this box because it's a very cool box. It's a very nice box. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, let's save this for later. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this. This is the box. Not from here. MB.02, MB.02. Have these nice wings in here. It's very nice. One thing that I liked about this box is it's open in here. Not open, but you can see there. So in here, Puma logo, LaMelo logo, the same Puma. Not from here. LaMelo logo, Puma logo. This is the size 8. Here the big logo stripe, not from here, Puma. Yeah, so let's see now the shoe. That's impressive, that's crazy. So let's see, this is the right feet. So here we have 1 of 1. I think it's like a slogan or something from LaMelo. In the back we have this Melo, the Puma logo, LaMelo logo. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a very cool shoes, very nice. Here we have the LaMelo signature. And the sole we have this, it's like a mandala, I don't know, but it's like a, yeah, we have these textures in here. It's very cool. I think it's the same pattern, the same texture from the Melo 1, but it wasn't this side here. Very nice, very cool. Let's see the other one. Let's compare both together. This one is kind of different from the other because in this side here we have rare, right? Yeah, 1 of 1, and then rare. And then we have 1 in here as well on the other feet. The same in here, Melo, LaMelo logo, nitro infused. The Puma logo in here, the texture in here, LaMelo signature in here. And it's nice, I don't know if you can see, but depending on the position of the shoes, you can see like a reflection in these stripes in here, which is very nice. Sometimes look like a rainbow colors, and pretty dope. Really dope. So I'll show the shoes for you, but I'm gonna try on feet on court, yeah, and then I'll try to play, and then maybe put some highlights in here. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see my feet, and let's see to play if it's worth it or not.